I think that the ecosystem around the Chalmers University and the research and the entrepreneurs is very important. It's one of the reasons why I'm here today. I've studied all my years at Chalmers, and I think that the ecosystem where they help entrepreneurs like me get connected to research is very important. So in 5 years, where I see Leilogic is that we have launched our first products, and hopefully for other bacteria as well, not only for Listeria, which is the one that we are working with now. And we see that we will help a lot of food producers out there to reducing the risk of recall, being able to send out the food quicker, and also helping the producer to open up new markets. Being able to send it worldwide without waiting 3 to 5 days before they have an answer. But in the end, we are producing a platform technology where we see a huge potential to go into different kind of markets. So water treatment, medtech industry, where you are in need of very specific and quick detections of bacteria. So we see a huge potential in this technology. So my background is within production engineering and management, and all my life I have a really huge interest in sports and in technology. So I have a sports career behind me and also living sports and breathing sports every day. And what motivates me is to go to job every day and working with my team. And I share this vision with my founders as well. We see this company, this journey as building a football team, as my co-founder always says, that we have the vision, we have the goals, and we need to work together to really make a great impact. And what's also motivating me is that showing that it's possible to take something from research and develop a product and finding a perfect market fit where you can make both a great impact and have a huge market to create revenue and large companies. And also, of course, when it comes to representation, I think is important. And when I look back at my career working with other co-founders and the startups in the past, I think representations of female founders, both in the academia and in the startup world, is really important. Leilogic are developing biosensor for quick detection of bacteria in food production. So today, detecting bacteria in food production takes a lot of time. It takes several days. And this creates a lot of problem for the food industry, both in finding bacteria too late, when the people have already eaten the food, or it causes problem in the supply chain. So what we want to give them is a quick biosensor to detect bacteria on site. So the idea is originating from research at Chalmers, and what they have done in the beginning was to develop a new base of a sensor. So we actually just went out to the market to see what can we do with this type of sensor. We talked with the medtech industry, veterinarian industry, food industry, and we find a really gap in the food production industry, both when it comes to technology development, but also where we saw a huge potential in the market. Because I think it's important to reflect over two things, both the impact that we can make for the customers, but also there is a gap in the market where we can generate revenue in the future.